Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can review games on chess.com. So let's get right into it. Now, you can review games once you finish them, either directly after you finish the game or going to your archive. So let me just go to my archive real quick. As you can see, I'm on the main page of chess.com and I'm logged into my account. Go into play, then go into archive, and you'll see a list of all your games. You can see the recent ones, the daily ones, the live ones, and computer ones. You just need to click on a game and click either review, which will take you to this page, and then you'll have the option to review, or you can alternatively go into the archive, click on the game wherever you want, then wait for it to load up. As you can see, it's analyzing the game, and once that's finished analyzing, click on game review, and it'll take you to a new tab where you can analyze the game as well. Now you can review them with their review tool or bot, which tells you which pieces or which moves were good or bad, which ones were blunders, which ones were misses and mistakes. However, that is a element which you need to pay for. You do have free ones, I think one daily. However, if you pay for a premium version, you will be able to review those games at any time for as long as your subscription lasts. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.